first what you'll need is 5 eggs, half cup of sugar, half cup of flour, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now that you've separated the whites from the yolks, you're gonna go ahead and beat your whites until they're stiff. As your eggs are a little bit stiff, like so, you want to go ahead and start incorporating the sugar. So now that I've mixed together the whites and the sugar, I'm going to go ahead and add the yolks and stir that up. Alright, so the eggs are stirred in. I'm going to slowly start adding the flour. Now this is what your batter should look like. It should be a little thick, but not too thick. Simply go ahead and grease the pan. So we're going to go ahead and slowly add the batter. Go ahead and pop this into the oven. While you wait for your batter to bake, you're going to go ahead and start the chocolate pudding. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and boil 1.5 cup of milk on high. Milk is boiling, you're going to want to go ahead and get your chocolate pudding mix and open the packet. Now that I've added my chocolate pudding mix into 2 tablespoons of sugar, I'm going to go ahead and mix that. Milk has boiled. I took it off the heat, and I'm going to go ahead and add this mixture that we mixed earlier and stir until we get a pudding-like thickness. Grab a whisk, put it back on the heat, and I'm going to go ahead and continue stirring. Just continue stirring until you have a thick pudding-like mixture. is I like to transfer over the really hot pudding into a different mixing bowl so it can completely cool down. Now what you want to do is add half a stick of butter. I'm going to split it in half so it makes mixing easier. And you're going to want to stir that up. Took a cloth and I wet it so it's pretty damp. And I placed it down like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer over the cake. What you're going to want to do is fold a little like this and carefully fold that the cake has set for a while. I'm going to slowly unravel it and add my filling. I'm going to go ahead and add all of the chocolate pudding. That all the chocolate pudding has been added, I'm going to go ahead and add my bananas like this, where we're going to roll, and you can break them in half because it makes it easier to roll. Bananas, I'm going to go ahead and coat the pudding with pulsed walnuts. I've added the walnuts and I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process of folding it with the damp towel. Just this time very carefully. Now I want to go ahead and make the whipped topping powder that I'm gonna cover my dessert with. So this is how we do that. We're gonna go ahead and add half a cup of milk and then add this to it. It's been in the fridge for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it from the towel slowly. Nutella on the outer layer. Now go ahead and add the whipped topping. I've added the whipped topping. I'm going to go ahead and add pulsed walnuts again.